Hey all, so welcome back to another amazing session. So in today's session, we're going to showcase you the exclusive Kanchi tissue sarees in the range of 25 to 32 only. The most awaited collection, guys, don't miss them. And before we start the show, see the one I'm wearing. An amazing, beautiful saree only. Very unique and one of its kind. Absolutely love the saree. It's a nice lavender shade with light pista green color contrast border. It also has this beautiful silver zari shine and meenakari detailing in pista green. So the one I'm wearing is priced at 29,500, and there you go, that's the pallu we have in the contrast pista green. And there you go, that's the blouse we have. It's a tissue blouse with pista green. So complete saree is being done in silver zari. As you can see, the borders and the weaving, everything is being done in silver zari. So the price is 29,500. Alright, so I can't stand for a long time, but I just want to show you the saree, so that's the reason I've been, so great. Alright, before I start the show, let me give you a glance of this beautiful jewelry. Come close, Nana, show the jewelry. Look at this piece, and in love with this gorgeous piece. Very unique, and guys, trust me, ఇలాంటి type of jewelry నేను హైదరాబాద్లో ఎక్కడా చూడలేదు in these many years. And look at this beautiful stunning earrings. Very unique jewelry అండి. Unlike the regular diamond jewelry, kundans, gold, temple jewelry, whatnot, I'm literally awestruck with this beautiful stunning statement piece. I'm gonna tag them soon with a beautiful picture posted. They have an amazing contemporary collection, and they have the designers from Bombay and Delhi who design such type of jewelry, completely contemporary, unique. And trust me, you just can't find such kind of jewelry anywhere else. She's the right person to meet her. So I'm gonna tag her up soon. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so there you go. That's the first saree we have. Another evergreen combination of sea blue and pink color. So this particular saree, as you can see, it has both sides equal size of border, approximately 8 to 9 inches. It has a contrast fuchsia pink border. And look at the saree detailing, and it's a lovely elegant color of sea green with a self meenakari detailing. And unlike the other sarees, this particular saree has a copper zari weaving in between the body design. Very elegant saree. It has a very soft feel. Easily carryable saree this is. And there you go, that's the contrast blouse and pallu in pink tissue. It's a very rich pallu, absolutely one beautiful grandeur piece. And that's the whole look of this lovely saree. I hope the video is clear. The colors are coming out good, right? Great. So this is saree number 1, and the price of the particular saree is 32,600. This is saree number 1. Guys, please do reach us out on the same old number, which is 8341382382. Alright, so that's the next saree we have. So this is in Kanchipattu. This is in a beautiful lavender color. It's a completely monochrome self saree with silver zari detailing. The borders, the body weaving, everything is in silver zari. This is a very smooth, and chana smooth on the fabric matram. It has a very good fall and a smooth texture to it. So it has a smaller border on the top and bigger at the bottom, approximately 7 to 8 inches. And that's the pallu and blouse we have in self lavender, guys. So that's the tissue blouse. I'm sorry, it's a tissue pallu. And that's the plain self blouse. So that's the whole look of this piece. Chana unique, elegant, simple looking saree this is. You can simply wear it for any events. So this is saree number 2, and the price is 25,600, saree number 2. Okay, so there you go, one evergreen saree. And these kanchi tissues ante manaki general ga standard ga gurtoche color is gold tissue. Look at that lovely beautiful saree in gold tissue with a contrast red border. You can also see the geometric pattern. Unlike the regular florals and creepers, the saree body has a geometric pattern. Come closely and show the pattern. Geometric pattern in silver zari. As you can see, the base is completely gold tissue. So that's the border we have in contrast red, approximately 9 to 10 inches, and smaller version on the top. So that's the contrast pallu and blouse in red tissue. Rich pallu and red tissue blouse along with the same border for the sleeves. And there you go. That's the whole look of this beautiful sari. This is sari number 3. And the price is 26,500, sari number 3. So this is just another color of the sari that I'm wearing, guys. As you can see, the one I'm wearing is lavender with pista green. This is silver and baby pink. This is a greyish silver. Look at that pretty sari. So people chala mandi adugunnarandi silver tissue sarees with pink combination. So guys, this is your, do block it as soon as possible. There are no pre-orders in one single piece. Look at this beautiful floral design all through the sari body, along with this pink meenakari weaving in silver zari shine. Smaller version of border on the top and bigger at the bottom, approximately 10 to 12 inches. This also looks amazing for a lehenga. And that's the pallu and blouse we have in pink tissue. It's a completely silver zari weaved sari and in a silver tissue with a pink combination. So that's the whole look of this beautiful piece. This is sari number 4 and the price is 28,600, sari number 4. And the next one we have is a meenakari weaving sari in a lightweight and affordable price range. So that's the color we have. A very unique sari. Look at the borders, and it's absolutely a unique border. We have the pista green color resham weaving, giving us that highlights in the border, along with the meenakari of this rust orange color. And that's a smaller border on the top. And you can also see this completely floral jal design all through the sari body, along with this rust orange, copper zari, gold zari, and pista green resham meenakari design. So that's the pallu and blouse we have. Look at that blouse and pallu. So this has a self pallu and a contrast pista green tissue blouse. Very pretty, and the blouse is absolutely unique and pretty. So that's the whole look of the sari. This is sari number 5. And the price is 28,600, sari number 5. The next one we have, let me check the time. So this is another monochrome sari, the completely self rani pink color tissue sari. Very beautiful and royal, and look at that pretty sari. Very smooth and falling texture, easy to drape it out, and look at the richness of the color along with this silver zari highlights, along with this gold tissue base. Pink ki gold tissue base mix aina base andi. So dani meeda manaki completely weaving vachi silver zari tho vachindi. As you can see, the border is approximately 10 to 12 inches at the bottom and smaller on the top. This also looks stunning even for a lehenga. But as a sari, it's absolutely beautiful, guys. And there you go, that's the blouse and pallu in self pink tissue. Pink with gold tissue mixed pallu and blouse. And that's the amazing, beautiful, rich, royal looking sari. This is sari number 6 and the price is 32,600, sari number 6. So this is one other elegant sari and the one evergreen color, yellow with a pink color. Beautiful sari. Even this is very smooth and soft drape andi. Guys, trust me, let me tell you this thing. Budget sarees manaki quality lo raavadam, it's the very first time, guys. The sarees are very smooth, color combinations kani, quality wise kani chala baagunnayandi. Price range ki you should not at all miss the collection. Coming back to this, so this is a yellow tissue sari with the pink color contrast borders. So you can see the completely very unique pattern of design running on the body part, along with the silver zari highlights. Smaller khadi border on the top and bigger at the bottom, approximately 12 to 13 inches. You can also get this as a lehenga stitched. There you go, that's the stunning rich pallu and blouse in contrast pink tissue. And that's the whole look of this beautiful piece. This is sari number 7 and the price is 29,500, sari number 7. And the next one we have, last show lo chupichamandi ide piece ni, so on people's request, a lot of people asked for the piece. So we managed to get a second piece in this show, which is in red color with silver zari. Look how beautiful and elegant the sari is, guys. So this time we had a lavender color in this. I think we already been chupichanadi. So this is in a beautiful red color, monochrome look, self sari completely in silver zari, very smooth and lightweight with the contrast. I'm sorry, since it's a self sari, this has got a self pallu and a self blouse. rich pallu and a plain blouse. And that's the whole look of this pretty piece. This is saree number 8 and the price is 25,600. Saree number 8. And next here comes a lavender tissue saree with a red border. Look at that pretty color. The color of the season, and just tell me who is not in love with this piece or the color. It's all about the color these days. So this is a lavender with red tissue saree. It's a country tissue. You can see the beautiful unique pattern, and it's giving us the geometric pattern with polka dots in between them. And the red borders, which are in ideal size up to 9 to 10 inches at the bottom and smaller on the top. And that has a contrast pallu and blouse in red tissue. Very rich saree in a very much affordable price range. This is saree number 9 and the price is 29,600 guys. Saree number 9, do not miss this. It's a single piece. Alright, so here comes another monochrome look saree. Very elegant shade of pink. It's very soothing and it's very graceful. It's gorgeous. You can see this very unique, minute and minimal detailing on the body part with very small intricate design with silver zari along with the self meenakari detailing on the body. And coming to the borders, it's a completely self piece in a lovely shade of pink color, rose pink color. Big border at the bottom around 10 to 12 inches and smaller on the top. It's a completely monochrome look saree and it's dead gorgeous guys. Chala bagundi saree. And there you go, that's the blouse and pallu. Guys, look at the blouse. Chana beautiful on the blouse. You can simply get the same blouse stitch with a very minimal embroidery. Trust me, the blouse is really pretty. So there you go, that's the whole look of this. This is saree number 10 and the price is 26,500. Saree number 10. And we have another monochrome saree which is in a sea green or sea blue. Oh my god, look at that color guys. Such a soothing color. Perfect for the summer weddings. Beautiful saree, elegant color. It really gives me the summer vibes and summer wedding vibes. So this has a detailing of peacocks in this along with the creeper designs. Very beautifully done. This is in the silver zari detailing. And the borders, as you can see, it's a bigger border at the bottom around 10 inches and it's an ideal size for anybody to carry it out. And that's the smaller version on the top. So for this we have a self blouse and the self pallu. Man, look at the blouse again. Absolutely gorgeous blouse guys. We have this geometric, zigzag pattern running on the blouse body along with the borders. Very pretty the blouses. And there you go, that's the whole look of the saree. This is saree number 11 and the price is 26,500. Saree number 11. Guys, please do take a screenshot along with the saree numbers mentioned. And this is the last saree in today's show, which is in a color fuchsia pink with the Rama green borders. Beautiful contrasting color, beautiful shade of pink with the medium sized borders at the bottom around 7 to 8 inches with a detailing weaving. And there you go, that's the smaller version on the top. This is a contrast pallu and blouse we have in a green tissue. And there you go, that's the whole look of the saree guys. Beautiful saree. We have this big bunch of floral designs on the body along with silver zari and gold zari weaving. A very elegant saree. So this is saree number 13 and saree number 12 and the price is 28,600. Give me that saree. Quick. I'll open it. So guys, this is another one of my favorite pieces in the whole show. Look at that color combination and the one unique and rare color combination. Get me the blouse please. Onion pink blouse, get me quick. Guys, look at this gorgeous saree indeed. Mehendi green color with this onion peach color contrast borders. Very beautiful, very unique and chala bagundi cheera. Beautiful medium sized borders at the bottom up to 8 to 9 inches and smaller on the top. You can see how beautiful the design is running on the body. That's the contrast blouse and pallu. I'm in love with this piece guys, trust me. Beautiful color, chala unique undandi color. Just look the whole look. Mehendi green with this onion peach or onion pink, whatever it is. It's amazing and classy guys. So this is the last saree I'm ending with. So this is saree number 13 and the price is 32,600 guys. Idi matram miss avvaddu. It's a very elegant saree. So that's about today. So Thank you so much for the love, and please do take screenshot and